making a lot of progress today. So finally it got aligned. And then this one, it's kind of a trick though, because it's really hard to align this one. So what I did is I just put the headlights in, test fit it, and then mark the sides over here. Yep. And then secure it. So yep, needs some adjustments, but this is not really an ideal way to fix it. You really have to like remove this one and then put in a new radiator support for the real fix. Problem is, yeah, it's gonna involve welding, cutting, and I don't have the tools for that. This one is more of a temporary fix. So I got the headlight. Headlight is done. The HID ballast is already here. It's already inside here. And then bumper is ready too. Got the fog lights, and then I found the bracket. I just super glued it. There's still some cracks, but they're really small cracks. So yeah, I don't probably need to spend more time fixing this. It's gonna be okay. So I got the headlights in. So I put it here. There's another bolt here, and a nut in here, down here. Yep. And those are the connectors. I'm gonna take up the wheel so that I could secure the fender. So the fender, you have this bolt over here, 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 and there's one over here. So you open the door. Yeah, and screw it from here. Probably I need to do it the other way. Then there's one on the other side.